Namaste to all of you. Welcome to the new lesson, A Day with Nandu. Nandu is a young elephant who lives with his friends in a forest. A Day with Nandu is from class 4 EVS and it is presented by T. Rangabai of Kendriya Vidyalaya Tiramalgiri. Just when we think of an elephant, we think of its sound, size, food, group, nature, and years, isn't it? Let's speak few sentences. Elephants can be classified into two groups, African elephants and Asian elephants. And they differ in their size and weight also. And they can weigh up to 6,000 kilograms also. And the lifespan of average elephant is around 70 years. Average lifespan of human beings nowadays, it is only 60 to 70, or we can say 80. But look at here about the elephant, 70 years. Now, some of the unique features of the body of elephants are long trunk, tusks with incisors used for moving and grasping the object, and unusually large ears. For example, children, if we are traveling in by car and an elephant comes in the opposite direction, we have to get scared. You know why? If the elephants are not diverted, they lift up the car, they break the parts of the car, and really what happens? That is the reason. If we come across elephants in the opposite direction, what we have to do is instead of getting scared, we should think of some solutions how to divert the elephants to the other direction. Okay, now baby elephants, which are also known as calves. Now this is a point to remember. Baby elephants are called as calves. They weigh around 100 to 120 kilograms. 100 to 120 kilograms. Female elephants are pregnant for 22 months. But human beings, mummies, will carry the babies in their stomachs only for 9 months. Later on, they come out. But for elephants, the baby elephants will be in the mother's womb for 22 months. That means they have long gestation period. Means it takes a long time for the baby to grow completely. Elephants give birth to one calf at a time, and female elephant can give birth to 12, 10 to 12 calves in entire life. That means unlike other animals, see other animals like dogs, cats, rats, they give birth to many babies. More than one, more than two. But elephants only one at a time. And in its lifespan of 70 years, it gives birth to only 10 to 12 calves. Elephants are herbivorous. Herbivorous means they eat only the grass, leaves, vegetables, fruits. Okay, in nature, elephants are herbivorous in nature and the diet includes fruits, leaves, grass, flowers, etc. An adult elephant can eat up to, oh my god, 280 pounds of food in a day. They spend almost 10 to 15 hours of day in eating. How much time do we spend for eating? Hardly 1 hour the whole day. Yes, I don't like to spend much time for eating. I spend only 10, hardly 10 to 15 minutes. That's all. Okay, but I will chew it very well. I eat little, but I will chew. But here for elephants, it takes 10 to 15 hours. Then more than 150,000 elephants have lost their life owing to poaching. Poaching means hunting and habitat loss. Habitat means the forests are being destroyed. That is the habitat. Habitat means the place where it lives is less than a decade. More than 150,000 elephants have lost their life owing to poaching and habit loss in less than a decade. Okay? Many elephants are killed for the ivory tusk, which is illegally traded across the globe. See, when we go to any museums or somewhere to buy, they will sell many things made of ivory. But I'll tell you from my wholeheartedly, I'm telling you, I don't feel like purchasing ivory things, even to gift to someone. And because I always remember these elephants, but still sometimes I am forced to purchase. Okay, if not for my sake, for others' sake. Oh, have you ever thought what is the importance of living in a herd? See, for animals, we say living in a herd, but relating to us, what is the importance of living together? Let's discuss. We can help each other in different tasks. We have people around us with whom we can talk and share our feelings. We can reduce cost of living by sharing things. We feel more safe and secure in a group. It's the same case with the animals as well as the humans. We always feel like living together. But nowadays, due to different problems, job problem or house problem, yes, they are living individually. But they nowadays people are trying to be together. Yes, that is why during the weekends we find many people moving to meet their families, to be with them, to spend time with them. Okay, but here what is the benefit of living permanently? That means they can help each other in different works. They have many people to talk and share our feelings. See, if no one is there to talk with us, will we talk with ourselves? No, we can talk with ourselves, but only for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 1 hour or 2 hours. But if we have someone to listen to us and share to our feelings, we feel more happy. We can reduce cost of living. That means instead of living in 3, 4 houses, if all of them live in a very big house, what happens? The expenditure also will be less. We feel more safe and secure in a group. That means if mommy, daddy, and 2 children are there in the family, if somebody falls sick, you will call your uncle, aunt, grandmother, grandfather, isn't it? And they come very quickly to you. And that time you feel safe and secure, isn't it? But if this is permanent, then everyone will be happy forever. Name any two national parks of India conserving animals. Conserving means protecting the animals. Also write the names of the states where they are located, and this is what we need to know and learn. Kaziranga National Park in Assam. Now how do you remember this? First you should remember on which side is the Assam. Yes, if you know the location of Assam, Kaziranga National Park is very easy to locate. Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand. So first is Kaziranga in Assam, Jim Corbett in Uttarakhand. Third, Sundarban National Park in West Bengal. Sundarban National Park in West Bengal. So what's the first one? Kaziranga National Park in Assam, Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand, Sundarban National Park in West Bengal. Fourthly, Kanha National Park in Madhya Pradesh. Kanha National Park in Madhya Pradesh. So what are these four? Kaziranga, Assam, Jim Corbett, Uttarakhand, Sundarban, West Bengal, Kanha, Madhya Pradesh. In this way, if you read, you will remember very well and you can do the map marking. Now here, observe the picture carefully and answer the questions. Now, relating to us human beings, suppose we are sitting on a chair and some stranger comes and sits beside us. Do we feel free? No. After some time, we give a look at that fellow. We give a look at that person. Second time. And third time we ask, do you have any work? Can I help you? Then when we go on asking questions, what happens? That person will get up and move away. But look at the picture here. We find an ergot and a buffalo. The buffalo is very happy and the ergot is also very happy. They both of them are enjoying the nature, beauty of the nature. Let's find out the reason. What is the main reason behind these two? How these are happy with their cooperation. The animal which is riding is the ergot. Ergot is a bird and it is riding on the buffalo. The animal which gives the right, that means the buffalo is giving the right to the ergot. Why is one animal sitting on the other animal? The ergot is sitting on the buffalo to eat insects that are sticking to the buffalo skin. See, we all know that animals which have external ears have hair on their body. When hair is present, automatically insects stick to the hair, okay, to the skin also, and the bird eats the insects. They both benefit each other as the ergot gets its food. The ergot is getting the insects as food, and the buffalo gets rid of germs and insects. See, buffalo doesn't have hands to just pick up. See, if we feel some itching, we apply some ointment or like that, isn't it? But the buffalo is helpless. It's the ergot who helps the buffaloes to get rid of the insects. Now, how do the animals like snakes, bears, monkeys, and horses are ill-treated by human beings? How do you think they are different? The monkeys that dance to entertain people and the monkeys that are free. Now, suppose for example, children, if we are tied up, if we are asked to sit in one room, closing all the doors and windows, can we sit without ventilation, without the air, without looking at the outside nature? Isn't it? So the monkeys also, few monkeys are caught by the people and these are used to entertain other people and they make money. The monkeys that are free are happier in comparison to those that dance to entertain the people. See, if the monkeys are free, they jump from one tree to the other, they eat whatever they want, and sometimes they snatch the bananas from us and they eat. Sometimes they snatch the mirrors, they snatch our spectacles, they try to imitate us, isn't it? They enjoy in that way. But the monkeys that are caught by the people and kept, they are like held up. Only when the person provides food, it has to eat. It has to eat. It does not have the freedom. Now here everyone loves freedom, even the animals. We should not capture the animals and use them for our entertainment against their wish. That's the reason my mother used to tell me when I was in class 2. Some people they used to come with the monkeys, they used to come with the snakes and entertain people. So my mother, she never used to allow us to watch all these. And when they would come to ask money, she used to offer little food and money and they used to go away. At that time, we used to think, why mommy is not allowing us to watch all these when all the children are enjoying it. Then later on, when we studied, and even my mother, she explained to us the importance of freedom. Then we understood. It makes them unhappy because they want to be free and roam around. without being instructed by a human. We also will be feel free, isn't it? And for example, in the classroom, if you're moving around, your teacher says, "Hey, Tanush, please sit in your place." Then, if you want to go somewhere out, you will be asking permission. And if you want to move from your place also, you will take permission from your teacher and move. But not always, isn't it? So here, everyone loves to be free. But at some places, you have to be restricted, like in the classrooms, isn't it? Have a nice day, all of you. God bless you all.